Hello students, I am back. Class 5, subject areas. Topic, dignity of work. Subtopic, dignity of labor. Today we are going to talk about the dignity of labor. Means whatever the respect of the people, those who are working. So, let's start. Dignity of labor means that all work must be respected equally, no matter how big or small it seems. Means we have to give the respect of every each and single work. So it should be that the all work must be respected equally. We should not think that that work is big or small. If I am teaching, that is also respectful. If the any person that is doing the work of sweeping, that is also respectful. We should give the respect to everyone, every work. We should not consider any work inferior even if it involves manual labor or physical cleaning of public places. Normally it is the very common thinking in the people. If the person is doing the work that is not look so good, they think that that work is of low category. That is the getting down. Actually it should not be. We should not consider, we should not think any work inferior. We should not think that the work is getting down and that is low or bad. Even if it is involved the manual labor or physical or like cleaning of public places. Manual labor in which we use our body, our physical capacity to do the work. That is the manual labor or physical labor. Normally the people that are cleaning the public places, that is the work related to the manual work. So normally we think that the sweeping like the work those people are not good. Similarly, no work should be seen superior to others. Same as we should not think that the any work is lower category. We should again not think that the any work is the superior. Any work is the so big. Their services are very important to us and the society as a whole. Here we are talking about the people, those who are doing the work, those are looking like the small works. But actually, they are doing the very important part of our work. They are creating our society and a whole in a make balance. Many of them work for very long hours for very little pay. It is a very big issue of those type of laborers. They are doing the work for very long hours, even they are getting the little pay. At the example, if the like the security guards, they are doing the work of the 12 hours, but even they are getting the low payment for it in the comparison of the others. So this type of problem is working. So we should don't think that these people are doing low work. We must never look down upon the work of others and always understand the value of everyone's work. We should always think that all things are similar, all works are similar. We should not think that those people are getting down. We should give them proper respect. Or always we should give the value of everyone's work. Because all the works are important, all the works are equal. And it should be always respectful for the others. So your today's homework is learn and write about dignity of labor in your EVS activity copy. You have to write about this topic with the help of these points. Thank you.